been a quarter of a century now, people, since the rebels won the day. They destroyed that evil empire and the galaxy was saved. Han Solo, Luke, Leia, Lando, they're the heroes we all recall. But let's not forget about their big-hearted friends who were only 1 meter tall. I'm talking about the Ewoks. They were more than just cute, cuddly bears. Let's give some credit to the Ewoks. Without their help, the Alliance didn't have a prayer. I was surfing the Star Wars message boards, and Lord, I was shocked to read all the haters putting down the Ewoks. They say they ruined the first trilogy. Well, they may have been at it for the children, and they may have been comic relief. And it may not make sense that they could beat stormtroopers with such primitive weaponry. But why you hating on the Ewoks? Tell me, what did they ever do to you? Where's the love for the Ewoks? Let's give it up, cause it's long overdue. Clap your hands now. Ewoks. The tiny warriors. Ewoks. They fought so bravely. Ewoks. Living like the Amish. Ewoks, Ewoks, take it, Billy D.
After Princess Leia crashed the speeder bike, who had our sisters back?
Ewoks.
And who was it that led the Allies to the bunker back door for their sneak attack?
Ewoks.
And at the end of Act 2, when all was looking bad, who set those captured rebels free?
Ewoks.
Can somebody remind me who throws the hottest treetop parties in the galaxy?
You know he's talking about the Ewoks. They still got it going on after 25 years. Ewoks, sing it loud so all those haters can hear. Come on now.
Ewoks.
They're inspirational.
Ewoks.
They sold so many toys.
Ewoks.
Yup, yup now. Ewoks, Ewoks, come on now. Ewoks, Ewoks.